Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to strike through text in Google Docs. So to strike through text, go ahead and select the text you want to strike through, and then go up to Format, Text, and then select Strike Through. Alternatively, there is a keyboard shortcut, which is to press Alt, Shift, and the number 5. So if I reselect this and I press Alt, Shift, and the number 5, the strike through is going to go away. And if I were to press Alt, Shift, and the number 5 again, it would be strike through once more. Now, for whatever reason on my keyboard, I have to use the typewriter set of keys, or the typewriter number keys, which are the top layer row of numbers for it to work. If I were to use the number pad keys, which are normally on the far right of your keyboard, it's not going to work. So just an FYI, if you're running into issues, make sure you're using the top layer of number keys and not your number pad keys. And that was a quick video on how to use the strike through text in Google Docs. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe. That helps you all in future quick videos.